guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ndaya J, and today's video is going to be another wig review. Okay, so I've got another unit from WIGgIT.co.uk. They've been kind enough to send me another unit to show you guys, and I'm especially excited for this one because of the color. So if you're interested in seeing what this wig is about, if you're interested in protective styles, in wigs, in changing up your look and all that good stuff, then absolutely keep on watching. Right, so as I said in the intro, this wig is from WIGgIT.co.uk, and this is a wig lace front, and this is the Remi Touch Lace RT7 wig in cool grey. So that's why I'm especially excited for this color, because I've got grey hairs, but it's hereditary. So a lot of my black hair has grey and silver streaks in it, and you know, hair. So when WIGgIT told me about this unit, I was really excited to try this color, because I'm naturally going into this kind of ombre hair anyway, so why not as a full-blown wig? So we've got this one in cool grey, but it does come in a range, and I mean a vast range of colors. So we're gonna try this on. I've got my wig cap on, so I'm basically going to show you guys what it looks like out of the package, and then we'll go ahead and try her on. And you guys, you know what, I'm not going to be wearing makeup today. I'm trying to give my skin a breather, so we're just going to be concentrating on this unit today. So this is what it looks like. It's got its normal packaging, it's connected at the top, so just go ahead and disconnect that. You've got a card that details the hair and also some care and styling instructions at the back, which I always find useful. So it normally talks about how you can part the hair, if it's heat safe, and density and all that about the hair. I really love the way it's secure. Like literally, it's got pins, nets, everything is in place just to keep those curls popping, girl. So let's take all this away. So this is what it looks like just off the back. I can tell you that the lace is the hard, scratchy type of lace, so you're gonna have to cut this bad boy down, or else it's gonna be really scratchy in front. The hair itself is super lightweight, which is nice, but the hair is full inside. It's lightweight in terms of the weight, but it is quite full inside. And this is the cap construction all the way through. And as I said, the scratchy lace, like it's really plasticky. And then you've got a comb in the back. You've got adjustable straps here. And you've got two combs in the front. Okay, and a bit of hair has been kind of like stitched at the back. Alright, so just by off the bat, it doesn't, to me, doesn't feel too much. It doesn't feel like it's a really stretchy lace, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on first before I cut the units. I normally like to do that first just to be sure that it will be my size. So with the scratchy lace and all, we're gonna give it a go. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. I haven't styled it, I haven't parted it or anything. I've just literally just plunked it on my face. Yeah, I haven't styled or played with it or anything, but I do like the curls. It is very soft touch. That is the scratchy lace that really needs to come off. It does fit on my head, but I find that it fits perfectly. So if you've got a bigger head than mine, yeah, you're not gonna like the fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off that lace and style her a little bit. I do love the color. It is so pretty. So yeah, let's do that. Let's see where we get to with that. Okay.
one I need. Too tired to settle the space between. The hole that I'm in is back with the whip or the wind. As soon as it's gone, like clockwork it comes again. I swear it's not real when I close my eyes. I swear that I'm healed, I'm breathing fine. Oh, I swear it's not real if I draw the blinds. And I swear that I'm healed if I stay inside. I swear it, I swear.
You know what, guys? You know this is the new norm. Like, we all have to get used to talking and smelling our own breath behind the mask. Like, oh Jesus, wear your damn mask though. This mask is from Boohoo and I'm actually feeling it. I am feeling it. I am feeling it. Let's step into the review. No more mask foolishness. Right, so let's talk about this hair. So I'm going to talk about the pros first. First pro is the color, girl. Like, the color is beautiful. Like, I'm not wearing any makeup. I don't feel like I need any makeup, girl. Like, the hair, I love the ombre from the brown to gray to silver. Beautiful ombre, and the tail of the hair as well. Beautiful ombre color is so flattering on my skin tone, and the hair is nice and full in the right places. So I absolutely love that. I also love the fact that it is very simple to style. Like, I literally haven't put any product in this hair and the curls are just snapping right in place. Like, the bang is just snapping right in place. I've been playing around with the hair and I mean, look, it's just like a bob. Like you've just had your hair done in the salon. It's so bouncy. I absolutely love it. So it feels really, really natural. The texture as well is very, very soft. My fingers were passing through with ease. Combs and whatnot passing through with ease. I love the length as well. It's very easy to manage. Love the way the curls are and how bouncy it is. As I said, this unit comes in different colors, so if this color isn't really for you, I believe that it would look amazing in all the other colors. Now, the model styled her hair a lot differently to how I've styled it. I've styled it more like a fluid bang and whatnot, so feel free to try it this way, but I prefer to wear my hair like this. You guys know I don't really do center part too much. I do like my little waves and my little bangs, but the way the model wore it, it's also really, really cute, and I think the hair would look really nice that way as well. Now, those are my main pros. Now, some of my cons. No, the last main pro, how could I forget, is the lace. I did say that it does have the scratchy lace, which it does, but when you do cut that scratchy lace off and you use your gel to melt it to your forehead, like literally it melts right into the forehead. Right into the forehead. I'm not one to pluck synthetic hair because it usually never works out well, but if you're one of those people that likes to do baby hairs and swoop, then go ahead and do it. I don't think I need to because the hair melts really nicely into my hairline. This is my natural baby hair, so, and I've got natural baby hair throughout my front, so I could do that and let the unit sit on my baby hair because it melted quite nicely in as well. So that is a massive that is a massive pro for me. Styling it just makes styling a lot easier. Now, unfortunately, some of the cons. First thing is the cap size. Now, if you've got a bigger head than me, you're not gonna like this unit. I do have a big head. I am a big head girl. and the unit does fit perfectly. So anything or any head bigger than mine, you're gonna struggle, girl. Like literally gonna struggle. So right now it fits really nicely. It's nice and secure. I used one comb at the back, one comb in front. Didn't use the adjustable straps, but if you've got a bigger head, girl, she's not gonna sit on your head, so be mindful of that. The second con is the shedding. Unfortunately, this unit sheds quite a bit, so I haven't combed the hair much. I've just been using my hands, but the little I've combed of her, I've experienced quite a bit of shedding. So I don't know if it's because I've cut the front baby hairs or what, but it does have just a little bit of shedding, so be mindful of that. If you're planning on wearing her as an everyday unit, I probably wouldn't. This to me is an occasion unit, because it's so beautiful and so flattering. You would want to wear it out and have like a nice look going with it. So really up to you how you want to wear the unit, but that's just what I think in my humble opinion. Yeah, that is really it, guys. Those are the only cons. As I said, guys, I love this unit. Like, I 100% would recommend this unit. So if that is the bottom line, I would recommend it. The pros outweigh the cons all day, every day, and it looks flawless. Like, I look fresh. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, this hair comes from WIGgIT.co.uk, so I will leave a referral link in the description box below. You guys can shop through that link to save some money. So definitely, I would definitely use it. So if you're gonna get a couple of units, definitely use that link. Save yourself some coins, girl, and I'll leave all the information in the description box below. But yeah, I think the Remi Touch Lace RT7, she did that, girl. She did that. I like her. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave me a little comment. Say, hey girl, hey, whatever. Anything you like. I am super tired. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I need to go to bed. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black Lives Matter, girl. So I'll speak to you guys in a future video. Bye.